Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. It's a modern medical mystery. How do doctors talk to a device hidden deep inside you? Believe it or not, it used to be brutally direct. We're talking needles right through the skin. Now, that conversation is silent, but it's not Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So what's the secret? It's all about magnetism. A magnetic field creates a tiny electrical current, opening an invisible channel. Think of it like a secret handshake. A programmer creates a field, a current is born, and data flows. This short range seems secure, right? But here's the twist. What if the attacker gets really close? And this isn't some sci-fi plot. Researchers are already warning about the real danger of brainjacking. An attacker could be just feet away sending dangerous commands, and you would have no idea. This is technical debt. In the race to innovate, security was left behind. Now the bill is due. So how do we lock down this invisible lifeline? Well, it's got to be a team effort. Experts point to a layered defense, authenticating users, encrypting data, and logging all access. It's all about making sure this incredible technology doesn't put our safety at risk. Which leaves us with a huge question. Is this amazing convenience actually worth the very personal risk? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.